What is the best way to make money on TikTok? You hear all these big creators crying, moaning about not getting paid enough from TikTok, and they're right. I myself have hit a few million views on my TikTok channel. Go check it out, please, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. And the pay's not great. So in this video, I'll tell you best ways to make money from TikTok. Yes, views are great. You know, you're expanding your brand. People are getting to know you more. You're getting more famous as you're wishing. Your name is getting well known, which will eventually lead to bigger brands coming in and helping you out. Now, the best way to make money on TikTok would be not by views, because TikTok's pay isn't great at all. For a million views, you're looking at like 10-20 pounds. So you're gonna have to upload every day, 4 times 5 videos a day, each hitting a million views each plus, to even see a proper return. Now, the best way to make money from TikTok, I recommend, is TikTok Shop. Get with brands, find brands. There's a lot of these online brands that are like, hey, show my product and you can get a certain cut from it. So find those brands that do that, showcase their product. People click the link, you get 50%, they get 50%, or however it works. Go live. TikTok gifts are very good. People are spending crazy amount. You see people with like 2 million, 5 million coins, 5 million diamonds, and they're earning some serious money, like serious money. Those diamonds, they add up like big. And if people start giving you diamonds like the big boys are doing, it's serious money. Another way would be starting your own online business, selling your own products, your own merchandise. That is pretty much the best way to make money from TikTok. So I hope that helps you. Good luck.